Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Obey Me Nightbringer. To begin, you will navigate the main story, which intertwines with engaging rhythm battles. Your primary goal is to collect powerful demon cards and enhance them to overcome challenges. You will also interact deeply with a cast of 7 unique demon brothers, building relationships and unlocking new narratives. This foundational understanding will guide your initial steps in the game. Mastering the rhythm battles is crucial for progression. As notes descend, tap them accurately when they align with the judgment line at the bottom of your screen. Each demon card possesses unique skills, like score boosts or health recovery, which activate automatically during battle. Experiment with various song difficulties, from easy to hard, to sharpen your timing and achieve perfect combos, earning more rewards. Card management is key to success. You will level up your demon cards using Grim, the in-game currency, and specific upgrade items. Unlocking nodes on the Devil's Tree significantly boosts card stats and unlocks new skills, making your cards much stronger. Remember to form balanced teams, considering each card's attribute, such as Pride or Envy, to counter specific battle requirements effectively. Beyond battles, the narrative and character interactions are central. Engage in daily chats, phone calls, and special events to deepen your bonds with the demon brothers. Giving them gifts they like will increase their intimacy levels, unlocking exclusive side stories and voice lines. These interactions not only enrich your experience, but also provide valuable resources and unique character insights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.